Have you ever wondered if you can deposit a check into your SoFi bank account? It's a question that many people ask, especially those who prefer the convenience of digital banking. Today, we're going to dive deep into SoFi's check deposit policy and explore the various methods you can use to deposit checks without leaving your home. SoFi has gained immense popularity in recent years for its innovative financial products and user-friendly platform. But when it comes to check deposits, many people are still unsure about the process. Some may worry about the security of depositing checks online, while others might be curious about the limitations and fees involved. Can I deposit a check online with SoFi? The short answer is yes, SoFi does allow you to deposit checks online. This feature is available to most SoFi customers, provided they have a compatible smartphone or tablet. To deposit a check online, you'll need to download the SoFi mobile app and follow the simple steps outlined in the app. How to deposit a check online with SoFi. Open the SoFi app, launch the SoFi app on your device and log into your account. Navigate to the deposit feature, look for the deposit or check deposit option, usually found in the main menu or on the home screen. Take a photo of the check. You'll be prompted to take a clear photo of the front and back of the check. Ensure that the photo is well lit and that all the necessary information is visible. Fill in the details, enter any additional information required, such as the amount of the check and the payee's name. Submit for processing. Once you've verified the information, submit the check for processing. SoFi will typically provide you with an estimated processing time. Security and privacy considerations. When depositing checks online, security is a top priority. SoFi employs advanced security measures to protect your personal information and prevent fraud. These measures may include two-factor authentication. SoFi often requires two-factor authentication to verify your identity before allowing you to deposit checks. Image encryption. The photos of your checks are encrypted to prevent unauthorized access. Fraud detection systems. SoFi uses sophisticated fraud detection systems to monitor for suspicious activity and protect your account. Limitations and fees. While depositing checks online with SoFi offers convenience, there are some limitations and fees to be aware of. Check amount limits. There may be limits on the maximum amount of a check you can deposit online. These limits can vary depending on your account type and SoFi's policies. Processing time. Online check deposits may take longer to process compared to traditional in-person deposits. Fees. SoFi may charge fees for certain check deposits, such as expedited processing or not sufficient funds, NSF, fees. Alternative check deposit methods. If you prefer a more traditional approach or if you encounter issues with online check deposits, SoFi may offer alternative methods. These may include ATM deposits. Some SoFi ATMs allow you to deposit checks. Check with SoFi for availability and any associated fees. Branch deposits. If SoFi has physical branches, you may be able to deposit checks at a branch location. If you encounter problems when depositing checks online with SoFi, here are some common issues and potential solutions. Poor image quality. Ensure that the photos of your checks are clear and well lit. Check amount limits. If your check exceeds the allowed limit, you may need to deposit it in person or consider breaking it up into smaller checks. Technical difficulties. If you're experiencing technical issues, try restarting your device or contacting SoFi's customer support. Does SoFi Bank accept check deposits? The answer is yes, but it's important to understand the process, limitations, and security measures involved. By following the steps outlined in this video and being aware of the potential challenges, you can confidently deposit checks using SoFi's online platform. If you have any further questions about SoFi's check deposit policies or need assistance with your account, don't hesitate to reach out to SoFi's customer support. You can find their contact information on their website or in the SoFi app. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.